sleep, Tess?
And they took my whole notebook. They took up everything. What you see is what
I'm glad I recorded some of the stuff you saying then, because I got a lot of the poems and poetic stuff from the notebook. All right, I'll be back, okay?
Good looking. Beautiful Bill Bell is at the tower.
Let's see
he was rubbing his hand, dog, and then these appeared. Right in front of me though, as he was rubbing his own hand.
What?
Then, I know I didn't run into anything. I look down and it feels like it's burning. Like someone's got like a hot something like burning me.
And this is from the taser marks the other day.
No, that is not from the taser marks. That's from being tased in my neck, throat, face, head. And that's from me not having shoes on, and as I'm trying to run from him, he's got me, he's over top of me, and I tripped over the curb.
Because your body locks up instantly.
Well, no, I tripped over the curb, and then, man, I pissed on myself, but it was like, I don't know if it was piss because I wasn't scared. It was like, it felt like my water broke.
You told me that.
And see, my water's never broke on its own.
It had to be induced by something or something had to happen.
With my son, I had preeclampsia. So Dr. Graham broke my water, gave me an extra stitch to the point where it hurt having sex, but yet I still had sex with Javier because I'm a wife and that's what you do. What I didn't do is suck dick. But that's one of my favorite things to do now. So that's what I'm saying. Like, everybody's misconstruing because y'all wanted to hack some Ashton records. This is the first time this has ever came. You know what I'm saying? My bloodline's thick, whatever, royal, loyal.
No, for real.
Anyway.
So that was the event.
That shit hurt.
I know. I see.
I can't sleep good no more.
Is it like PTSD, or you think about somebody?
Man, PTSD. The mind is a powerful thing.
Yeah, somebody get you while you sleep.
When I bust the line down of this methamphetamine, I want to see if I can't do the exact opposite of what I see other people doing, but also like, and that's all because of your sister's algorithm, brainwashing, and like using spell work, but hiring, and it's like my family funded it, but we're the same branch, so it's like our family. Oh, it's just that represents the Nielsen Chambers of Commerce, Spectrum Charter Communications is the Supreme Court. It's just like, it's so deep. The Wales is Time Warner. That's where the British and the Latin and we have no third party privacy laws here.
What do you mean? Explain that. The third party.
Like, okay, so that was Javier, right? Like the tall guy, but it's old girl's son, but it's really not because it's a conjured up spirit up through that vessel. And it's in it, you know what I'm saying, on a different plane, but the pilot is corrupt, and it's like, which represents the attorneys.
Okay. Now, Keston, you gotta kind of slow it down with the metaphors.
Well, like, I don't know how to.
Yeah. People just gotta catch, follow along because you hear them.
Because it's like I'm chosen.
Yeah. I can't believe the book though. Like, did somebody take her? Was the law? Your books with the poems and your stories. The notebook. This is gone. Well, I guess
I'm hoping it's the love of my life.
The only person, you even want to see it.
The soul, or the attorney of. Or the grandfather, great. But honestly, I think it's the great grandmother. That's like. But the grandfather is Morgan Freeman, and he's a bitch.
Right.
Because I'm his daughter. It's almost like it was supposed to be Lamar, but got, and when I say Lamar, I mean Kenny or Juan, and it was hijacked by ants like with Latin bloodline, like Haitian bloodline.
Yeah.
God of husband. Husband's other bitch.
I'm gonna have to walk down there and holler at them too. Yeah.
It's Landon because Landon. It's been going on. Like, yes, I know.
What?
Everything.
Y'all wouldn't believe who we got, bro. It's a good news, YouTube. It's a familiar face. Who is it? Who we got with us?
Zeus in the house.
And where you been at, boy?
I've been at rehab.
Boy, I've seen this nigga. I didn't know who he was, boy. This nigga looks good, boy. That's what's up.
Rehab.
And you say you been clean?
Clean from drugs and alcohol.
That's
For
what's
37
up.
years. 37 days. Actually.
37 days.
Yep. And I'm keeping this sobriety because I got cleaned on my birthday.
Oh, I seen you after your birthday, like right afterwards.
I know, but I didn't really get high. So.
Yes, that's what's up.
Yep.
That's what's up. Damn, so you're not smoking no weed either? Good. Good.
I want to get high, but
No. Oh, you say you broke.
Collarbone.
Hold on. How you do that?
By flipping over my handlebars. A car is coming towards me really fast, and I slammed my own brakes. And I flipped over my handlebars, and I fucking slammed on my shoulder. I fell on my shoulder and broke it. Snapped it in half.
Damn. It is just slipped it. Look at this shadow boxing.
But yeah, I stay over at Spring Street. The apartments right there. I stay in those.
You said apartments were?
It's right over there. Right across the street.
Oh, at the halfway house?
Yep.
That's what's up, Zeus, nigga. Damn. And he's clean too, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
And he's clean, but you can tell in your face though that you get your weight back. How's your leg too? You moving around nice too.
Yep.
That's what's up, boy. Hell yeah.